an example in Govinda Lilamrita that Brinda Devi is Krishna Sneha. So when Tulsi Manjari meets, and then she plays a game with Krishna. She says, "Oh, Radharani's locked up in her house today. She can't come," and he's really giving Krishna a hard time. So then in Govinda Lilamrita it says, Brinda Devi, feeling sympathetic for Krishna, she looked at Tulsi Manjari and communicated with her eyes, "Stop lying to him. You're torturing him too much." Because Manjari's duty is to make Krishna more and more eager to meet Radharani, and more anxious. So that's how we're doing our duty. But Brinda Devi, because she supports that, she's with the BJP and we're with the Congress. She's supporting Krishna's party. So she said, "I don't like this. She's torturing my Krishna too much." And then Tulsi, she's saying, "I don't think he's coming out today." And then Krishna says, "But Tulsi, you never go anywhere. You're like a shadow with Radharani, you Manjaris. You don't go anywhere without Radharani, so she must be somewhere near." No, you can go, you can ask one of your parrots, you can ask Daksha or Vichakshana, they can fly off to Yavat and they can see she's locked in her room. Yavat's and Jatila is standing outside with a big stick, in front of her door. She can't go anywhere. So he's okay. Okay, then how is it, Tulsi, that I smell so much Radharani's beautiful sweet form coming from your body? We were just massaging Radharani and Yavat. So naturally that beautiful fragrance came in my clothes. She's not anywhere near here. So Krishna said, "Oh, Tulsi, I can't meet Radharani today. I'm so sad." So Tulsi wants to see all Krishna breaking down and crying, and she wants to really put him in anxiety. You have to really want my Radharani. You have to really desire my Radharani. Because now now Tulsi, after she finishes her introduction, she's going to go back and say, "Oh," and then Tulsi will say, "Krishna, so what are you going to do now?" "Oh, I don't know. I just can't even face my coward boys. I'm not going back to Mahanidhi Swami. I'll just go to Radhakunda, some kunj, and I'll just go cry there, and I don't know what. I'll just cry and wait till tomorrow." So this was the idea in Tulsi's mind. So Krishna would end up anyway at Radhakund, and Tulsi would go behind and find out where. Some parrot would tell, like Manju Bhashini or one of Radharani's parrots. So then now, when hearing all this, and Brinda Devi, who is Krishna's Snehadik, she couldn't tolerate it. What is this? Tulsi, you're just supporting your Radharani party. Cut it. So then Tulsi Manjari says, "Oh, Sham, this is how my narration. Sham, I was just teasing you. Surely you're going to meet your Radharani today. She's just actually on a footpath, and I came as advance party to tell you where to meet her." "Oh, Tulsi, why do you always do this to me? And like this. So now Tulsi will run back to Radharani and say, "Oh, his face was like this. When I said this, his face went like that." "Really? It went like that?" "Yeah." And then Radharani looked at Vishaka and said, "Oh, Vishakika." Because we say Radhika, so IKA you can add to anyone. Lalitika, Sudevika, Vishakika, Radhika, because Adhika means very near and very affectionate. Like we say, "Oh, Swamiji. Oh, Maharajji. Oh, Prabhu. That's for Bhagavan. We don't use, but the Ji means honorific term of respect. So Radhika, and we say sometimes Chitrika. Who's another one? Because you see this word sometimes. People get confused. Is this Chitrasaki? It says Chitrika. It's Chitrika means Chitrasaki. And Radhika. We all know Radhika. Like this. So then Tulsi would go to Radharani and tell